everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. On this tutorial, we will be designing a beautiful bracelet to match the Pantone color of the year for 2025, Mocha Mousse. And this is a matching bracelet to the necklace that I recently had a tutorial on. So it's kind of the same design. I did have three extra flowers. So instead of just having that one flower be the main focal point, I'm just going to kind of spread out the flowers through my bracelet. And these flowers were from the Bead Butler, the 7 millimeter flower polish or from softflexcompany.com. And I will leave a link down below in the description for the products used in today's video, as well as a tutorial playlist for all other bracelet inspiration, as well as the matching necklace. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. I'm trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Let's start creating. So you will just need three eye pins. We're going to add on one of our 7 millimeter beads, our beautiful flower, and a 7 millimeter fine polish. And I love these 7 millimeter beads. They come in so many different colors on Soft Wax Company, and they're so sparkly. They're kind of one of my go-to designs. We're going to be using the one-step looper to make our little loop, and this is going to give us our perfect loop on each side. We're just going to slide it into our tool and give it a squeeze. It saves about half the time that it would to make a wrap loop when you're using this tool. So definitely a must-have tool. I'm just going to slide on the other one and give it a squeeze. We'll do that one more time. To bring in my round nose plier, and this is just to make sure that all of the loops are secure. And then we're just going to add in some 6 millimeter jump rings, and this is what is going to connect everything together. When you're making a little beaded link like these, you can connect them directly to each other. I like to just attach it with a jump ring, just in case I want to add an extra embellishment to the jump ring. Then you have a little connection point. So we're going to add one 6 millimeter jump ring and give it a close. And when you close the jump ring, you should hear a little click and you'll know it's secure. And then just like the spacing for the necklace, we're just going to add on three jump rings. On the jump ring size that you use, you may just have to adjust the spacing. We're going to connect three. And if you ever wanted to, add embellishments in the future, or if you originally made this as a charm bracelet, instead of having to redo the whole project, you could just open up the jump ring and make the adjustments as needed. We have our beautiful bracelet. We're just going to add some more jump rings to each side, and then we're going to attach our clasp. I'm just using a lobster claw. So I added on the jump rings, and I just added an extra jump ring in between my flowers just to make it a little bit bigger. So I have my four jump rings on the end of my bracelet, and since I am using a lobster claw, it will just connect to one of these jump rings. If you're using like a toggle or a two-part clasp, you would just attach one side of the clasp to each jump ring. And just as an optional little design element, you can always add like another little embellishment, like a little crystal or a bead, maybe a made with love charm at the end to kind of make it like a little charm bracelet. We have our jump ring. We're just going to add on our clasp and give it a close. And we have our beautiful Pantone color Hawaiian flower or hibiscus flower with the beautiful mocha mousse color and the Czech glass. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the products used in this video, as well as all other bracelet inspiration. Have an awesome day.